Y'all know where we are, man. We over here. Tire shop. HellCat tires is bad, you feel me? Don't worry, this ain't my car. I wish it was, but not yet. We haven't made it there yet. My baby right there. It's my boy Luis right here. He just got the cat. Copped the cat with the bloody red interiors. About to change the tire, because this one's not that bad though either. No. This one got no tire tread. Barely.
Look at the other one. The other one is leaking.
The other one got more tire tread than that. Yeah.
He's leaking.
Look at all the mud on the tires. Black on black though. Nigga, the first thing I would have bought is an exhaust system. And then...
Like 1,300.
Yeah, I know. That's how much mine was. I got a Texas Speed. It was 1,800. Oh, no. That's cap. Mine was 1,000. I didn't get the full pipes. I only got headers and high flow caps. That's all I got. I didn't get the whole kit. The whole kit comes with the muffler, the headers, the mid pipe. Nah, it would be nice. You do a muffler delete, nigga, it would be nice. Dale. Epa! Órale! El people. It's no joke. ¿Y cuánto iba tu 40? And you just tapped it.
A ver, 40, if I tap it, it's gonna spin. Mira, a ver.
Damn. Diablo. I can't wait, son. Tú verás que lo vamos a tener un día, si Dios quiere. That motherfucker spin. And people, nigga, that motherfucker, it's trying to go sideways, nigga. Diablo, no juega el fucking HellCat. So literally, it's obligamente, if you're gonna race, you need to have a tire.
Yeah.
Obligamente.
I wanted to buy good tires and have it in a different rim.
Yeah. Well, like I said, let me know. Yo te encuentro. Let me tirarle a cosa, man. Nah, I don't think so. Nah, not with these. The Michelin duran mucho. A mí me duran, aunque sea. This motherfucker is scary, nigga.
The Mustang was scarier. If I took like...
Vamos para el trabajo mío, que está ahí. Para recoger a Paul. Dale el U-turn ahí. Dale.
Don't want to spin.
Oh my God, we sideways, nigga. Woo! Estamos en el lado, cabrón. Y tú le estás you're just tapping it, no?
No,
tapping
that was all in.
No way. Se voltea, you'll crash. God forbid. That was not all the way, nigga. Tú le estás dando así feathering it.
No, la cosa que estaba pasando todos los cambios.
Ya. Okay. Damn, nigga. Vamos a un dig. Dale, no hay carro atrás de ti. Dale. Nowhere. That bitch is sliding. Oh my God. Wow.
You won't even move.
That's crazy, nigga. I still want one though. So the thing is, you have to invest in tires. You have to.
Wait,
Dale un chin de gasolina. That motherfucker sound barky, nigga. Barky. HellCat. El muffler suena duro, ¿viste? Sí suena duro el muffler. I don't know why I thought it didn't, but it does, even though it's factory. Suena duro todavía. Oh, for real? Crazy ass boy. He's done.
Well, would you look at that?
Y'all already know the drill, nigga. We and my boys HellCat. I don't know if you want to be on camera, but he on it, nigga. It say 200 on the dash. That means we gonna leave your ass. Bro, I fucking love HellCats. I'm gonna get one soon when I become rich like you. When I become rich like you.
Yeah, right. I'm pelando.
Woo! That wine, though. Imagine if tú le pones el loud maker. El loud maker,
Oh, el intake.
Yeah, pero la marca loud maker. Le hace que suena bonito. Méteme para acá, como están para acá ellos. Just listen to that bitch, espérate.
Put it in third. And like fourth.
Ahí. You said third? No, va a quemar goma, va a quemar goma.
Well, you heard the
But it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn rubber. Alright, third you said, right? Alright, that's third. Let's see. Go back this way. Ready. Where that motherfucking Camaro? I don't wanna be near that motherfucker. Alright, let's go. So third, right? Is Alex driving? No se escucha. No.
Bro, that shit's crazy.
I know, it sounds so good though.
Dale. Oh, he knows, nigga.
Yo, turn your lights on, nigga. Got some dog cases in the back.